Hello, hello, and welcome. It is time for the May Artist Trading Card Challenge from Pick a Stick Challenge. This is a Facebook group, and we do this every month. And there are 3 prompts and a wild card and a color. And the color this month is violet. So I'm just going to get started here. Artist Trading Cards are 2.5 by 3.5 inches, kind of like a greeting card or a, what do they call those, business card. And I'm just going to use a stencil and some, what do they call this stuff, Distress Oxide ink. And I'm putting that down into the background and getting a layer. I'm going to spritz that with some water and just let it work. And the first step, okay, this is just a background that I've done. The first step in doing the artist trading card is clay. So for that, I have a jar full of paper clay that I molded some time ago. So I'm going to grab my paper clay and I'm going to find something to use on my artist trading card. So I've selected the piece of clay that I wish to use, and I am going to coat that with some clear gesso. And I'm just going to use these water brush markers. These have a water-soluble ink inside of the brush marker, and I'm picking some flesh and hair tones to use on this because it's a little bust of a girl. And so I'm just going to colorize the clay using these brush pens. And if you're interested in any of the products, be sure and check the video description box below. I have a store on Amazon where most of the products that I use in my videos can be found, and you can go over there and shop for the things that I use in my videos. You can actually bookmark it, if you're interested in using the same types of products that I use, and you can go find. It's broken out by different categories, so you can find the things that interest you. So yeah, I'm sorry I'm off camera here, so let's move on to the next thing. So in another challenge, which was art journal page for this particular group, I had punched this painted piece of paper out of the journal page, and so I decided, well, I'm going to use that. I'm going to use that in my artist trading card because it has the colors, and why throw it away? Why waste it? So I'm going to get my glue gun heating up, and I've got my card. I want to figure out how I'm going to mount this. And the next prompt is staple. Well, I'm not going to staple. So I'm going to move on to step 3, which is octagon. So for octagon, I am going to use a pen, a white pen, and just draw an octagon, several of them, on the background paper. And I'm going to use these. I think these are from Tim Holtz, these little floral, it's kind of like making a wreath here on the front of the ATC. I'm just gluing it down, and I'm going to use my pen and draw on that circle piece to make my octagons. And then the wild card for this is pearls. And so I'm going to use the wild card instead of step 2. So I'm going to glue down the clay piece, and then I'm going to add some pearls into the background, and yeah, put a little bit of pen work on there, and our artist trading card will be finished. So I'll give you a final shot, and I hope you come and join us over on Facebook. Remember that if you're interested in shopping, the links are down below. And I also have in video links for you, so that if you're interested in any other artist trading cards, you can find them there. So I'll see you soon, guys. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now.